Did you ever ask yourself how we produce sounds? And why it's very important for language learners to understand that. Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome to ArabicLangclub. This is Hosni Ibrahim and you're watching the Arabic pronunciation video series. Most people speak all their lives without really thinking about how they do that, like a lot of things we do in life. The ability to speak is what makes us human. And it's not about just making sounds. It's more about delivering thoughts and ideas. Ideas which might be changing the whole world. One only speech might change lives. And as it was said, no matter how eloquently a dog may bark, he can tell you that his parents were poor, but honest. Sound production is a very sophisticated process, but in a very short way. Speech sounds are produced by moving and vibrating a stream of air that is shaped and altered in various ways by the vocal tract. Learning and understanding how we produce sounds is a very interesting journey. Especially articulatory phonetics part is very important for the sake of learning and mastering language pronunciation. By the time you feel each part of your articulators, it's so much easier for a better and perfect pronunciation. This brilliant journey begins from your brain, where ideas and thoughts come, and with other parts from your nervous system, with the respiration process, and of course your mouth. In today's video, I'm going to speak with you a little bit about 4 different processes: respiration, phonation or voicing, resonating, and last process, articulation. Breathing is the energy behind our speech. Our diaphragm gets involved and it pushes up, and our abdominal muscles contract to help force air out. Each one has a pair of these vocal cords that sit right here above trachea, which is above lungs. When air pushed from your lungs, forcing vocal cords to open, will vibrate at a very fast rate and will create sound, just like a mouthpiece instrument. What makes your voice different and unique is much more than just vocal cords. Once the sound is produced, will go up through cavities, throat cavities, mouth cavities, nasal cavities, and you can manipulate these cavities to change how you're making sound. And the last process, articulation. Articulation is how we shape sounds with our articulators to make words or whatever language are you speaking. Now I want you to feel each part of your articulators and know how we all are blessed with how we speak and produce sound easily. And I want you to feel your different articulators using whatever language you're speaking. And I'll see you next time in our upcoming videos when we speak about one of the most important topics, Arabic articulatory phonetics. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. See you later.